Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries of the universe? Well, we're going to take a journey in the opposite direction and explore the mysteries that lie at the very core of our planet. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the question of whether anyone has ever reached the bottom of the Earth. It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries and one that we're still trying to answer. Join me on this journey as we explore the depths of the Earth and the challenges that lie ahead. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the first to see our latest videos. Before we can answer the question of whether anyone has reached the bottom of the Earth, we need to understand the structure of our planet. The Earth is made up of three main layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is the outermost layer, and it's what we live on. The mantle is the middle layer, and it's made up of hot, molten rock. The core is the innermost layer, and it's divided into two parts: the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is a layer of liquid iron and nickel that surrounds the inner core, which is solid. The outer core is responsible for generating the Earth's magnetic field. The inner core is the hottest and densest part of the Earth, and it's believed to be made up of solid iron and nickel. Many adventurers and explorers have attempted to reach the center of the Earth, but none have succeeded. One of the most famous attempts was made by the French writer, Jules Verne, in his novel, Journey to the Center of the Earth. In the story, a group of explorers travel to the center of the Earth through a volcanic crater in Iceland. While Verne's story was fictional, it inspired many real-life attempts to reach the center of the Earth. In the 1960s and 1970s, the United States and the Soviet Union both tried to drill to the Earth's core, but both projects were eventually abandoned due to technical difficulties. More recently, in 2020, a team of researchers from the University of Aberdeen in Scotland proposed a new method for reaching the Earth's core. They suggested using a laser to create a small hole in the Earth's crust and then using sound waves to study the Earth's interior. While this method is still in the early stages of development, it shows that scientists are still looking for new ways to explore the depths of the Earth. The deepest hole on Earth is the Kola superdeep borehole in Russia. It was drilled between 1970 and 1994 and is 7.5 miles, 12 kilometers, deep. The purpose of the borehole was to study the Earth's crust and mantle, but it did not reach the Earth's core. The Kola superdeep borehole provided scientists with valuable information about the Earth's crust and mantle, including the discovery of new types of rock formations. However, it was also an expensive and challenging project, and it was eventually abandoned due to technical difficulties. While no one has ever reached the center of the Earth, scientists and explorers continue to search for new ways to study the Earth's core. One of the most promising methods is to study seismic waves, which are vibrations that travel through the Earth's interior. By studying seismic waves, scientists can learn more about the Earth's composition and structure. They can also use seismic waves to create images of the Earth's interior, similar to how doctors use X-rays to create images of the human body. Another method that scientists are exploring is using supercomputers to simulate the Earth's interior. These simulations allow scientists to study the Earth's core in a controlled environment and test different theories about its composition and behavior. Exploring the depths of the Earth is not an easy task. The extreme heat and pressure at the Earth's core make it a hostile environment for humans and technology. The Kola superdeep borehole, for example, had to be cooled with a special fluid to prevent the drilling equipment from melting. In addition to the technical challenges, there are also ethical and environmental concerns surrounding deep drilling and exploration. Some argue that drilling into the Earth's core could have negative consequences, such as triggering earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. So, has anyone reached the bottom of the Earth? The answer is no. Despite many attempts, no one has been able to reach the Earth's core. However, that doesn't mean we're giving up. Scientists and explorers are still searching for new ways to study the Earth's interior, and who knows what we'll discover in the future. Perhaps the most important takeaway from our exploration of this topic is the importance of curiosity and discovery. The human drive to explore and understand our world has led to countless scientific advancements and discoveries throughout history. So, let's continue to ask questions, push boundaries, and explore the mysteries of the universe, no matter how deep they may be. Throughout history, there have been many fascinating stories of exploration and adventure related to the Earth's interior. One such story is that of the Italian geologist, Luigi Cagni, who attempted to climb Mount Everest in 1921. Cagni was also interested in exploring the depths of the Earth and invented a device called the plumb line to measure the depth of the ocean. Another story is that of the American geologist, Marie Tharp, who created the first map of the ocean floor in the 1950s. Tharp used sonar data to create a detailed map of the ocean floor, which revealed the presence of underwater mountain ranges and valleys. More recently, in 2012, the filmmaker James Cameron made a historic solo dive to the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the ocean. Cameron's submersible, the Deep-Sea Challenger, reached a depth of 35,787 feet, 10,908 meters, and provided scientists with valuable information about the deepest part of the ocean. The question of whether anyone has reached the bottom of the Earth is a complex and fascinating one, and the answer is still elusive. However, the pursuit of this question has led to many scientific advancements and discoveries. It has also inspired countless stories of exploration and adventure. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, let's remember the importance of curiosity and discovery. The Earth's interior may still hold many secrets, but with continued scientific research and exploration, we may one day uncover them. That's it, we've reached the end of the video. If you made it this far, you're one of the best people out there. Before you go, make sure to give us a like to let us know you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions that pop into your head in the middle of the night, feel free to leave them in the comments below so we can answer them for you.